Okay, I didn't realize I was muted. Anyway, what's up, Clearwater? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to be working on the website again. I want to add the blogs page, and depending on how long I'm here, I also want to look into what I can use to send out emails, like for a newsletter updates on the blog. This is an interesting thing I've never done, and it seems like my two options in front of me are to configure and write the backend myself using probably SQL and some other tool for the email, I'm not sure, or there is a product called ListMonk who will, I guess, handle this for you. We'll see. We'll see. We'll just have to get there first. But yeah, I'm really liking how this is looking compared to what it looked like a few days ago. It's definitely a lot different. There's some updates for sure. And also, I noticed like on the actual site that's served, it looks a bit different to me. Yeah, it's weird. I'm not sure why. Especially this bottom container. I mean, I'm pretty sure I have it synced. We'll see. What's the diff, dude? Oh, this is horrible. Okay. Oh, I'm getting some invalid crap here. Oh, that's so irritating. Okay. So, one step at a time. It's always something, though. I'll tell you what. It is always something. Alright. But yeah, yesterday all of the pages were made to be at least tolerable to look at before most of them are broken. So this, I think I'm gonna decrease the fade time. Like yeah. I mean, 5 seconds is okay, I think. Yeah, it's 7 seconds here. I don't want it to be 7 seconds, we'll be fine. That's quite a bit. I'll put it 3 even. That could be okay. 3 seconds here. I have this at. That's weird. I do like it to be a little bit better, a little bit quicker. Yeah, okay, that's fine. always forget to do this. I always forgot to do this authentication. It's like, do I have to get a new token? I'm gonna try to do this in a different terminal, I think. Let's see. What is this? Need to fix this. I think I'll need to make a new token. I'll get do I have another token? I don't know. I think I have so many. It's kind of too many. Alright, let's see. Settings. I think it's in developer settings. Personal access tokens.
Oh, here's one. Never used expired. Gee, they have so many expired ones.
Let's do another one. Man, gotta use GitHub Mobile for 2FA. Alright. Okay, note. What's this token for? Oh, I guess last a year. Oh yeah, 1 year. Just trying to I'm trying to get a new token for this Raspberry Pi. Okay, so I can do what? GH auth login or something? Use it here. Let's do it. Face authentication. Okay, here it is. Should be like here. Come along, baby. Oh my gosh. What is that doing? Huh. Okay, that should work. Sometimes like my clipboards are so weird between these things. Like I'm trying to use. Why is it doing that? What if I just paste? Okay, that should be better. Okay. Let's try this. What a pain. Authentication token. I'm gonna paste this in there. Okay, there we go. I think that worked. Okay. Let's see if I can do this now. No. Why? Dude, come on, bro. It's all gonna be hosted on the Pi. I mean, the site is already hosted on the Pi with Nginx, and the DNS and all that stuff is done through Cloudflare. But like, yeah, it's already up and it exists. I'm just working on it in my environment right now. I don't understand what this stuff is either, to be honest. Okay, I don't understand that. Did it work? Can't do this. Oh my goodness, man. Like, I'm really trying to just... That'll start to piss me off. Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, whoa. Why did that work? Is it because I was in a different terminal than I did? What the heck? Okay. I don't know. But it worked. Okay, so what happened? Tell you what, I've been encountering doing all these different. I'm doing way more Git stuff on multiple machines and multiple branches than ever before. And yeah, I'm starting to hit some snags with that. Yeah. I need to get better at that. Alright, it should have worked. It should work. It should work. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. We don't need the background to go in like really fast, right? The background doesn't need to come in so fast. It actually looks better if it comes in a little bit, you know. Oh, looks cool. I love it. I love it. Okay, I think it works. Alright. I think we're up and cooking. With the token authenticated on my Pi, I should be able to get operations. Okay, so I was doing all that before really hitting the notebook and seeing what I'm going to get up to today. So, it is July 19th. I want to align the bottommost elements to the left. Maybe. We're able to see cleanly no matter what, doesn't matter where. So align that. Let's see, well. Books needs help for sure. Is it a top priority now? This is, you know, whatever. So I think add blog page. Okay. Put it into menu items. Restructure it. I'd probably just replace it here. I'd probably just replace thoughts with the blog page, and I could link to the just the regular old thoughts and in there. I don't know. Maybe I still keep it here. I'm not sure. I could, I guess. Maybe it's just still keep it here. I could probably redo this and do like a like a little explanation of what each page is. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then at the very last, we will decide email pipeline. I have a feeling I'm just going to, I don't know, if ListMonk is really easy to use for email stuff, I don't really have a reason not to use it. If it could get me up and running faster, you know? But I can also see the appeal of completely doing it myself. And just using SQL, just having a simple sort of database on the Pi, because it's always on, it could always do it, so both would work. Both options would work. But the first thing is, I want to see what's going on here with these bottom elements. I think I know what's going on because the page container. Okay, no, wait. I thought the page container. Interesting. Also, here's another thing I was wondering about, just like the file organization. I wonder if it would be possible to Like, can I put all these in? I know index has to be available. I can do this. Some there pages. And let's do something here. This isn't break most stuff. That's okay. It should break most stuff right now. All of those go into pages, please. Alright, that's still there. It's like your house, dude. You want to have your house cleaned up. You want to have your directories cleaned up. So this should break everything. Okay, yes, everything's broken. Nice. That's good. Because then that means I just go to like index. That should work. Okay, that works, but then now on all these pages, I need to link the CSS better. Yeah, that should work. That's not one of the pages I care about the most is thoughts. I'm not sure why. I just love that page. And it means a lot. So I want it to look more polished, maybe. Thing is, I just kind of work on what I want to with this. It's fine. There we go. Oh, it's interesting. It's interesting. Oops. It's probably here somewhere. Why? Okay, because this. Well, that'll probably be broken as well. I should have wrote that. Yeah, here. Alright, we're gonna have to fix a lot of stuff around here. Okay, that's what it's all about. Just make sure everything is fixed. And down here. Like this different, and then 16. Change that. And oops. Yep. Oops. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Nothing else. This one could be closed. Alright, let's see if they're all fixed now. Uh-oh. The home. Uh-oh. And yeah, okay. Lord, that's okay. This is all in the name of getting it, what happened there? That should not be working. Okay. Oh, did I write this? Oh, I'm on music. That's okay. Yeah, the home thing needs to go back as well. That should work now. Hey, that should work. Well, why wouldn't you work? You should definitely work. I just fixed you. Do I just need to freaking crash this server out real quick? Well, regardless, let's final predictions. What's up, Better Call Eddie? Final predictions on what? For soccer? I don't really know who's playing, to be honest. Uh-oh. Let's see, I need to restart the server. Let's restart. It's like, hello, help. That's what the server's saying. The server's like, please. There we go. Let's crush this thing. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. Okay, so for example, let's run thoughts. Who do you think's good? Are you talking about soccer, Better Call Eddie? If you are, or football. I mean, wherever you're from, I don't know. But here in the US, we call it soccer, but whatever. Who do you think's gonna win? Football, yeah. Yeah, you have to forgive my Americanness. I've gone my whole life hearing soccer, so. Alright. There we go. That should work. And that works. Okay, yay! That's what I thought. Let's go to music and that one fixed. I think that one is fixed though. I'm just looking for everything to fix. Making this better. Hopefully. Okay, so I need to go back a little bit. What? Where's this? Oh, that's it. Must be index. This can do. Okay, let's see. I think this one. Okay, so fixed. Boom. Let's see. We can close that out. What's next? This one's fixed. Close it out. Oh, this one's fixed. That would get like a million pages. I don't really have that many, to be honest, but this one can be closed out. Maybe Spain. Isn't it like Spain and England, or like Spain and England, right? That's who's playing? I feel like I heard something about that. I did watch like one game. This is a couple weekends ago, I think, or maybe last weekend. I can't remember now. But I was with my friend, and he was watching the game, and it was Norway, England, and England won. And the Norwegian team looked so sad. I felt bad for him. I felt bad for Norway. Okay, am I good here? This works. Oh yeah, that's all broke. That's okay right now. That's broke. Kind of expected because I'm changing the. How do these work? What? Sometimes I wonder, how tall am I? Well, if you're like not from the US, maybe you don't know how feet and inches. Let's see. I'll tell you in centimeters. 177.8 centimeters. So pretty average, to be honest. Alright, let's see. Why is this even working? This shouldn't work. Yeah, it definitely shouldn't. That one's not working. Yeah, that shouldn't work. Sometimes I feel like there's just some like weird caching things going on. Seems that way on the production version as well. It's like sometimes things are not properly referenced or something, and they still appear, and it's like I feel like it has something to do with caching. Well, this makes sense now because this isn't. I haven't pushed this new change out, but the site is functional. My actual local version is not. But yeah, like for example, this Beethoven photo, it should not work because as of now, wait a minute. I wonder if that's why. Does that just go from like the root of the directory or something? Is it the same here? Wait a minute. Does that actually work? That's really interesting. I wonder if that's how this works. So like I think that is how it works. That is interesting. So I don't really necessarily have to use the relative paths. That is so interesting. So that changes everything for my understanding, as a matter of fact, because, like, okay, so if this is the case, let's say I'm in music right now. If this is the case, then I should just be able to omit the trailing period completely. That seems to be the case. I don't even need the trailing period. It's like, oh, that is so cool. Huh. So what that means is I could probably just substitute 2 periods. Oh, wait, how do I do that? Like that? Okay, yeah. So substitute the 2 periods for nothing. That is so interesting. That's so cool. I mean, I guess that makes sense. I guess I didn't think about it. Like, it's super hard. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm just gonna globally change everything to this. I know these top ones are still gonna need to be changed further, but I can just say asset. If you say this, then what you should say is this. Okay, I wonder how much that fixed. These here. Did that even fix anything? Oh. Do I play games? Sometimes. When I was a teenager and stuff, I played games a lot. What happened here? Why is this not there? Huh, this is like acting weird. When I was a teenager, I played a lot of games. Just not so much anymore. What's going on with this? This is acting weird. Like, did I break something? Did I break something? Another message from the director. What is that? Huh. Pages you should. Oh, well. Let's restart this again, I guess. Jeez, I'm having some troubles with this. Let's just restart this. Come on. Music, and music seems to be. Oh, it's like, yeah. There's something bad going on. Yeah, and it's like totally wiping this thing out. That's interesting. What is it? I mean, it's the wow. I'm surprised. It's like literally not. It's making to where it won't even load. That's interesting. I completely just nuked the freaking. Look at this. What's going on? This is so strange. It just causes everything to completely break. What the freak? It's the audio stuff, by the way. Yeah, so what? I think I definitely broke some stuff here. But I was wanting to get rid of the audio stuff anyway for the moment. So it's not really that big of a deal. I'm just gonna get rid of it. The audio stuff just makes the page very memory intensive. It loads way too much at once. It's like, I'm not sure how much it really adds necessarily, especially because I'm already linking to performances and stuff. So like, I mean, whatever. I think the downsides kind of outweigh the. I think it's cool to have the stuff there, but you know. Okay, that should. Jeez, dude, I'm like breaking this thing like crazy with this. Let's see if it starts back up. Hello. All right, boom, we're here. Now this should be. It's still broke. Why? What's going on, man? It's very strange. Never had this happen, actually. It's kind of interesting. It just won't load. Like, it just won't load it. That's weird. I'm sure it's probably something pretty obvious I'm just missing, but keep going. Get in there. I feel like that loads fine. This loads fine. What if I have something to do on the index? Oh, this should totally work. Why is it not loading? Why is it not loading? It's so weird. Maybe I do need to use these freaking relative shits. Maybe I was cooking with that. It seems to work for some things, but I'm just not understanding it. I don't know why it's not straight up not loading. This. Okay. Should work, right? That's what I keep thinking, but alright, works. Okay. I don't know what was going on there. It's also a lot quicker than it was, because all those audio things are gone. no! Let's fix this. Let's make sure this stuff loads correctly. That's it, right? Yeah, definitely got some shaping stuff going on. The image formatting is bad, the padding is bad, but I'm trying to make sure this all runs well right now. Okay, yeah, I knew this was gonna be bad. Let's see. Why? Oh, is it just, yeah, I think it's just this actually. So we can just say style background color black should do something. Okay. Do we have that here? Yep, here. And that's it. Oh wait, am I not even showing the thing anymore? Okay. No, what that was about. Oh, also we have class links here. I don't want that anymore. We're getting rid of that. Class links. That will be nothing. Just one link maybe. Alright, that 100-day study is also crazy. Pages study. Okay, let's get that list going. We got assets here. Yep, we got multiple. Oh, what the heck? What's that? That's interesting. Look at there. There. Okay. This also struggles. Style. Background color. Let's do this for now. Yeah, padding and stuff. But whatever. Oh. Oh, we have some links here too. Let's get rid of those. Class links. I know where you are. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Day 59. That's nuts. Alright, I'll be right back. So that works. And that all works. So now I can just I'll just say like some Okay. And stitching. Oops. Well. Yeah. Okay. This has always worked for the past by doing this one. And this could be a pain sometimes. What do you mean, dude? I literally did this. What is this? Oh, okay. I must have it open somewhere. What has it? What has it open? Is it because this is... I am so confused, bro. Like, what has it open? Nothing. Cannot run by. What is that? What is freaking? What do you mean? Where is by a part of this? Man, GitHub shit pisses me off sometimes. Not sure about this music. About this one. It's way better. Did I just force? I just literally was like, dude, what if I just flag F? Is that gonna force it? That would be hilarious if it actually just... I don't know. Is there a flag? Force? That's kind of funny. Maybe I didn't even need to do the F. I don't know if it even did anything. Alright, already up to date. Sometimes it just be like wigging out bad. And then I'm like all confused. I'm like, dude, what's going on? Alright, that's fine. This should be fine. Everything should be fine. Okay, that's amazing. I'm just making sure that it actually pushed. Looks like it did. Oh, the project directory looks so much better now. Got the CSS folder, I got the pages folder, index. Like okay, having the DS store is freaking hilarious. I need to I got the DS store sitting on GitHub. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of DS store. So first we should probably get I don't even know if I have a git ignore. But let's say I do. And let's just put DS store on here. Just from, I guess, when I do stuff on my MacBook. Let's remove the DS store now. Let's get remove cache, I think, from here. Oh. Fatal, not removing recursively without this. Okay, so get remove R cache here. Okay. So that's good. What's the diff now? The diff is hopefully just... Okay. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it's much. Okay. So now I should be able to push. Added, get, ignore. I mean, which is good. Can you not put that in there? Is that weird? Okay. Now that should be fixed. I think it's so funny. I didn't realize I had Store sitting there. Alright, get ignored. Yeah, it's now gone. Anything else? Let's see. Anything else I need to get rid of in here? Well, you know what else I can get rid of? I have like a million MP3s sitting in here. Let's see. What do I really do? Oh, estimate file space usage. Okay. So music has an for M what? Like, I'm assuming it's like bytes or something. Summarize the message of set of files recursively. Yeah. Could you say what the frickin' size is, dude? What it's reported in? Sometimes I swear it's just like the simplest things. Oh, so it's M. Okay, wait, let's see M. Okay, megabytes. Okay, so yeah, so you can see music, 134 megabytes, dude. Let's just get rid of that. Yeah, so it's about 150 megabytes in total. You gotta think, freaking music itself was that size. It's a bunch of MP3s. Some of them are 10 minutes long, you know? So it's like... erased the... assets. Why did I not do that? Music folder. Saved. 134 M. That's what matters. It's probably gone. Let's see. See if it's gone. Yep, erase music. I also have some documents in here too that are kind of big. But I have GIFs in here too that are big. I mean, I also have just... This really could be cleaned up pretty dang well. Like, you see all this stuff. Honestly, I keep it here. Or in the past, I was keeping all this stuff here because I just changed the website around a lot and I just keep stuff that I, you know, but like I don't think any of these are used. Could be wrong, but like, I mean, we could test this. So let me go. So for example, let's start up here. Let's look at the little GIFs I have. Alien. Wait, this should totally have at least pop that out. Oh, I guess like it's, yeah, because it's just a file name, so like that could be erased. Remove him. Wait, what about broom? That could be erased. Honestly, I think most of this could be erased. Yeah, we could do another thing. Let's just look for GIF. Okay. So I'm using 2. Actually, I'm just gonna do this in the File Explorer real quick. It'll be a lot easier. GitHub. So for the GIFs here, I'm only using clouds relaxing. That's literally it. That is literally it. So wait a minute. That should, no, that is true. That's true. I've changed these. Okay, so that is gone. Clouds, where's clouds? Okay, there it is. Oh, that's from the values page. And relaxing, so those are 2. I do like having these here, but screw it. I also like I like just minimizing space needed, you know? I mean, I hate having bloat. I just hate it. Bloat is so bad for me. I just don't like it. So you can see now it's down from what to what. I mean, that's like pretty small. This, I think these are all used actually. Yeah, in that file. A lot of these probably aren't used. Let's see, I could just look at them, probably tell. I can probably tell which ones are not used anymore. Let's see. What is that, photos probably? Let's see, Yosemite. Like, dude, what? It's kind of tough. These ones are a bit tougher. I think I might just keep these ones for now. I don't know, let's look. Like Raskolnikov, he's not here. Nietzsche is not here. You know, so these 2 guys can go actually. So can the sitting reader, so can space, that can go. Stars 2. That is my background, so I should probably rename that. Here's another one. Yosemite, I don't even think that's used anywhere. It's not, okay. You can delete that. This can be erased. Oh, the horizons. These are what I used to use as my backgrounds. Not anymore. Okay. I should have looked to see how much this was at first and how much it is now. Because I think, oops. I think now it's gonna be a lot. I think I had like 90 something files. Yeah, look at this. It's a lot, less than it was before. Also, sure, if I want to have a, for example, oops, I have a knit ignore, and let's put like if I want to say I want to have a scratch, which I like having those, so then I could just make one. And put it in there, put an A-shape on there. Okay. But that can be ignored, like I said, so we'll get remove our cached here. Okay, the ladder thing. Cleaning, let's do that better. Slow it down, just cleaning it up, cleaning it up. I love cleaning it up. There's a freaking DS store in the photos as well, which is pretty funny. Okay, well, I cleaned it up a little bit. I kind of want to put another folder in here for like universal assets. This is like assets. I got like random stuff, but I also have stuff that I use like literally everywhere. For example, the moon. But who knows? Maybe that's let's see something. Let's look for grep stars 2. Okay, it's actually pretty easy, and that's good. This is good. So this is used one place. Here. Like we could just say like stars background. I'm sure it's better. But I'm thinking I kind of want a different one. I've already said that, but. Like this diagram. Diagram kind of sucks, but. DS store, please get out of here. I want, you know what I want, what's bothering me is, it's just, you've got exams, better call Eddie. I'm sure you'll do well on your exams. Best of luck on your exams. what's bothering me is that, like, this page, I love the fade in, I love the moon, all this stuff. What kind of bothers me is the star background has colors that are not in the color palette. Like, it's got blues and stuff in there. And, like, I don't really like that. Like, for example, I have the... So I got a color palette using the moon photo. Where's it at? Channel assets, I got the logo palette. Can I just put this on here? Let me try to put this in here. Yeah, like this is the palette, right? So the palette being like this, there's different colors in there. So, like, I don't know, in the background, I kind of want to change that, like, now. It's kind of funny. I do kind of want to change it now, but I also just want to make I think it's fine. It does work for now, but I do want to make a blogs page. At least have the page in existence, you know? Also, I need to change these titles around. Let's get rid of you. What is your diff? What's your difference? Oh. Okay, we can save that for now. So, like, for example, let's go pages, and then let's go just down the line. So, like, for example, books. What if it's like venvio books, you know? Just to make it... Oops. Yeah, I don't know. Having that is a bit better. Well, it also, I guess, like, the actual title is venvio, so it's like, maybe the title should just be venvio. Okay. Venvio books, okay, venvio challenges, just like to always reference what site it is, just around the place. This one doesn't even have a title. Does it? Yeah, it does. This one's gonna be alright. I could just I think when it comes to your personal projects, it really is the little things, you know? And so it makes them yours. So it may as well just take some time and do the little stuff that really may not matter that much, but makes you satisfied. Because why else, you know? If it makes you happy, then do it. Oh, that's what that looks better. That looks better. Also, I'm gonna get rid of pages. Get rid of that whole crap. What's up, Cleawar? We're just chugging along. Does DuckDuckGo block ads? I mean, Firefox blocks some ads. Like DuckDuckGo itself, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe. I'll be right back. Man, I got like this candle. It's called like Midsummer Night or something like that. It's pretty good. Yesterday, I unfortunately found a bug in the WM. What's the bug, Cleor? Did you find it? Oh, you said you found it. Yeah, what is it? What's the bug, Cleor? Let's see. What am I doing? What about I got? Okay. What have I been up to? Let's see. That looks better. That looks better. We're slowly driving along. Dude, this website, I guess, had way more problems than I originally expected when I was coming back to this. I mean, I always knew it was plain. I mean, the whole purpose of the website was just for, you know, some self-expression. It wasn't like supposed to be an enterprise level just crazy website, but I'm beginning to want to care more about it being smooth and nice, and it's just fun, I guess. I don't know, but for most of the website's life, it has been just a, you know, HTML, pretty basic, like a, is what it is. It's more about the content than how it looked. But when the content is there for the most part, I was like, okay, all the content's there. Maybe I can start to make it a little bit better. The bug is with floating window. When two or more are on top of each other, the focus on the window goes crazy. And I changed the license to GPL. What's a GPL license? I feel like I've seen that. Isn't that like really popular? I just don't know the difference with all these licenses. Oh. Okay. What's the difference between this and the MIT license? Alright, let's see. So we should do exactly what I've been trying to do. Attach pages blog HTML. Boom. Oh my gosh, it exists. The blog page exists. Oh no. So let's take, this random. Let's take the boilerplate and just kind of go over here. I think that's it. What is this on thoughts like? I'm something that doesn't even matter anymore. Some of my comments, I'm like, huh? My comments are relics. They don't matter anymore. Let's see. I think that should it probably wouldn't display anything. With GPL, if someone wants to take your code and make it closed source to do some changes, it can't be because it's forced by the license to make open source. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Then I take whatever you want, I guess. Yeah, it sounds like it, yeah. How flexible is this? Can I literally just put hello in there? Like, is that gonna work? Let's see. Let's try that. Well, I need to fit this somewhere. Darn it. I'm worried that it's not gonna fit here. Like here. I think it might be better to combine thoughts and blog anyway, but right now we're just trying to get it up and running. Hello? Oh, it actually. Yeah, these are like the same stuff though, but also I want these to be more spaced, really. It did print it. She's got the black background, but it's got a little hello up there, and all literally it's just so flexible. It's crazy. So let's just steal from thoughts a little bit then. Let's put fade in. This. Yeah, that should be the same. For the blog. Boom. And there. And then we need to close the div out again. That's the back end. And this should be, yes. Oh yeah. The boiler for the blog exists. I'm so excited about this. You guys don't even know about the blog. excited about this, but I need to, structure this in a certain way. Really, I think, I don't think I need to overcomplicate it. Like, for example, I'm going to take inspiration from some other pages. So, like, in challenges, it's just set up like this. Just very simple. I really think the blog could just be kind of like this and have, like, a little thing. Like, for example, here. Books, a little quote. It doesn't need to be a quote, but, like, there's a little passage of... It wouldn't be a quote. It's just a little passage of text. Head of the blog, I could just put a little passage of text and be like, this is my blog or whatever. I'm just caring more about the site having like a coherent theme, because if you guys would have seen my site last year, some point last year, it was random, dude. Like every single page was a different color. It was just like I said, it was just like an experimental mess, really. And I think it was okay, but like now I just want it to kind of have more of a theme. The moon theme is the color scheme. I just love this color scheme. It's just so good. So we're gonna take a couple of things from here. All right, the page container. Now let's go to music, because I know we have there, like we have this. Just right there. On the blog. Just like reflective, nice, peaceful. That's what I want. I just love that kind of atmosphere. I just love that stuff. So I got the CSS styles. What's my body looking like? Oh, by the way, I'm upset that like I have my main body text class named body, because it's really confusing with each page having body. But yeah, we got Azure. The color Azure 25. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, but then like on pages, I want this to have a background too, maybe? Pages, challenges. Yeah, like for example this. I could put a date as well. Oh, I forgot about GIMP, dude. Let's create a new image. Let's open existing. Oh, sorry, I think I have my night shift on this whole time, dude. Let's see. Open image, GitHub, blog. That's where is it? invert? I'm not even sure. Okay, so here we have. Let me erase this source. And then put a new window source up. Window capture. Let's do GIMP. Uh-oh, I got GIMP up. So what I want to do is, oh, okay. I'll put that, oh, that should go here, I guess. I want to apply the hue, like I said. I just don't know how to do this. I'm not an editor, you know, so. Let's see. File, image, layer. Colors. Huh, it took, actually I think that took the color out of it, which is what I was trying to do, yeah. That might work. Oh yeah. Oh, that's interesting. I could make it a little bit darker if I want. That's interesting. Like a -50. It's definitely an interesting idea. It makes it just more dim, you know. Where, like, what is -100? Okay, yeah, -100 just does everything. You guys see, ooh, even like 75. It could be nice for that. Well, maybe it's too much though. Like, just, yeah, faint. What's this hue do? Nothing. Nothing that I can tell, at least. Let's go 0, bro. 0. Good. 0. Okay. Invert. Oh, don't want to do that, man. I don't know how to zoom in, to be honest. How do I zoom in? This is. Filters. That's probably what I wanted to do. Light and shadow. It's interesting. Man, these look weird. Huh. Stencil chrome? What the heck is this? I'm not even gonna mess with that. What? Add a bevel? Well, you can't even tell. Okay, that might be okay though. I can enhance. Okay, you can't really tell. It's kind of funny. I'm just doing enhancements apparently. Noise reduction. Let's try that. Oh, that's interesting. What does it actually do? Huh. Oh, it kind of just gets rid of stars. Oh, I don't want that. I want to keep that there. Sharpen. We can do sharpen maybe. See what it does. Oh yeah, it looks a little bit sharper. Oh, interesting. Huh, those are cool. Let's see. It might be it, honestly. Let's just try it with oh, damn it. We can't have this be this bullcrap. Bullcrap extension. Yeah, export. Let's export as stars background 2. JPEG? Alright, let's try that. Quality. Gonna use the same ones. We'll do 100 quality, sure. Soothing video, blah, blah, blah. Export. Did I do that? Yeah, my stomach is rumbling. I'm hungry. Wait, well, let's see. This one. Oh, it's actually lower. It's actually smaller. It's interesting. Maybe it's because it doesn't have color or anything. Well, let's say. I could just. I don't want to save this. Whatever. Oh, actually, where does it save? Maybe. A document, sure. I don't really care. So let's try that. Like, what's that gonna look like? Do we need to hit CSS? Well, stars and background 2. It's definitely a lot darker, but also, wait a minute. I thought that was supposed to take out the color. Didn't really do that. I mean, I think it does actually still look better. I think it does. I wonder if I need to... What if I just don't have the style black here? On the... Yeah, because that makes it... Oh yeah, they can just float pretty much. I like that better. I like kind of having a float in space. Now these can we also want some more padding, right? I mean, don't we? What's the blog look like? It doesn't have anything. Okay, so I changed that. It looks a little better. Okay, I did the blog page. At least created it. Still gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna do here, but as far as layout and stuff goes, and whether or not to condense thoughts into this as well. Maddie the Guider, what's up? Hope you're doing well today. I'm just working on my website, doing stuff. Just making things cleaner, or smoother, just better. We're doing some HTML today. Yes, we are. We are doing some fun, cool HTML. Love it. Be right back. I still never made these look better. These here. The thing is, I don't know how. Like, I can't figure out how to do it. Like, like, for example, why the heck is this? Huh. Well, that crap went over there. That's pretty good. Oh, dude, first off, I'm really enjoying this music. I guess it's not even really, I mean, is this even music? I don't know. But I like it, no matter what it is. Here's the music. It's so peaceful. I just fixed it. I mean, I didn't fix it, but I did something, and now it's what I wanted it to be. So, container. Okay, so here's the difference. This was, what is this? Wait, I have this shit twice. Holy crap. Yeah, this is what the heck? Okay. What if I get rid of this? Is it just gonna be smashed up against it? No. But it's not to the left. Which is interesting. Oh, because these are containers. I think it's my class container that I have. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I gotta put this up at the top. I have really been enjoying working on this. Wow. This has been so much more fun than it was before. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I actually enjoy how it is now. I don't know. But it's so fun to just have like a little personal website and do stuff with it. try to put this up at the top, I guess. See how it works. I mean, it looks kind of ugly, but I don't know. We'll see if I can manage to do this. Oh, this kind of looks better. Wait a minute. It's not just here, it's not just here, it's not just here. I don't know what this is. Watch this. Break some. Nope, never anything. Alright. Oh my god, that looks really good. Does it look good? I think it looks pretty good. Wow. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks better than it did. Also, this website will give you like I had it transparent. I think it's probably the best move, to be honest, but well. Hey, I got somebody from China looking at my website. That's pretty cool. Oh, you know what I did before, which I probably wouldn't do again, but one thing I did have was I just had these separate like this. I think this would actually make it run through the container at this point. Doesn't look that bad though, does it? I just think the container isn't big enough for this. I don't think it is. Oh, it kind of is, huh? But also, oh yeah, I don't want it to be like that. It'd be like here. It'd be like that. And it's also, they're black. Well, what's interesting though is they actually, well, gives it some space, but take your highlighting over there. Why is the banner text like that? Like, what do you mean? Shouldn't it be? Why do banner text doesn't even exist anymore? Huh. I think it's because I put their styling pretty much in here now. You can see that. That's why they don't really exist anymore. So with that being said, this is just P. Right? No, it's not just P. Oh, banner text I think is defined here. I'm so dumb. Yeah, banner text is defined here. Let's do color azure, maybe. If we do color azure, then the thing should be azure. No, okay. Yeah, it should be. I just don't know how if I even like that very much. I don't think I do. Oh, I just closed it out. Dang it. What did I do that for? Let's see. Just closed it out. Dang it. So that does exist, but maybe I could just be like, honestly, I think if I had some spaces just after it, maybe that would actually work. Like, that'd be funny. Would that work? No, it does not look like it. I didn't do anything. This here. What do I say? Padding 5 pixels. Shouldn't that do something? I don't know what. Oh, I guess it would be just, yeah. I guess it would just be taking it further away from the other elements, which I don't really want. Maybe like margin. I'm trying to figure out how to space it. No. Oh, what? What did that change? Why did that change something? Oh yeah, I just separated it. That's interesting. Maybe we can change that. Holding the entire page is cool. That's fine. Dude, 60 lines, that's dope. Blast post, dude. What do you know about a blast post? Still needs help. That's okay though. Can only do so much at a time, you know? The landing page looks pretty good. Oh, that does look better. Look at this. In production right now. Boom. Oh, that looks a lot better. Okay. Now I can see it like that. It's like, holy crap. I really did do some meaningful changes. Let's see. Does work, does work. Okay. I am going to eat some lunch and stuff. I'm starving, so maybe I want to do some stuff. Who knows? I might be back later today. I've been having some fun with this, but anyway, regardless, well, let me push this out first. Let me test my pipeline if this works. I think it did. Let's see. How can I? Let's see. So. Oh yeah. Should be. Yeah. I erased a lot of stuff. Delete all that Just pushed it all out. Let's just do a refresh test. No, dude, it's not right. It could be. I've had this problem. I think it's a cache problem. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna load this up in Google Chrome. I'm just gonna load this up in Google Chrome, and I wonder if this would be different. I'm gonna bet that it is actually. Wait, let's see. It's not. It's not different. Why? Why is it not different? Yeah, should be. It's so weird. I'm noticing this kind of thing here. Is like that objectively is not correct. Now there's a reason. I just don't know what the reason is, but like, yeah. Star's background 2 is not this photo. It's not. It's this photo. Look, it's a major difference. Oh, this one looks so much better though. This first one. So like, why is that the case? Because like it's here, Star's background and Star's background 2. I'm gonna remove Star's background to even drive this home further. So I'm in the production directory right now. Like Cloudflare is directly pointing to this. And I just deleted this photo. It shouldn't even exist anymore. And it still persists. It slips through the cache. Control Shift R. Let me see. Oh, dude. Maddie the Guider. Thank you so much. It was a caching thing. I don't know if you're still here. I'm gonna say I fixed it. Yeah, like, okay, so this caching thing. I've been noticing that with these things. I don't know. I've never had it. Also, this is weird. I've always noticed that too in the production side. Like, this pops out like that. I don't know why. It's just supposed to be the copyright symbol. Like, I'm not sure why. Oops. That works like that. One minute. Let me go back to a minute. Okay, good. Okay. Do I have tree? Okay, I don't have tree on this one. Logo. Oh, this shouldn't be there. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. This is way different. This is not the same. This is not synced. No wonder I've been having troubles with this thing every once in a while. How does that even work? Like, how is that even working? Like, this page even exists? Okay, it does exist. That's weird. It's keeping... Oh, there's something wrong with my rsync script. Because, like, all of this stuff shouldn't be here like this. What does it look like on my radar? Huh. I think it's... Maybe like a delete. Yeah, it's not deleting them essentially. So delete. So here, and then also, this is also true. Let's see if this works. That should work. Well, I mean, now it's kind of... my script is... I think my script is messed up. Okay, so check that out. We're going to go to var. This is the production repository. And that looks messy because it is messy. So now, actually we can go to home. This is where I run from. Site sync. Oh, I think I'm doing something crazy, yeah. What am I doing? Lord have mercy. I think I may have just destroyed this. What is this doing? Uh-oh. Oh, this could be interesting because I think I've just destroyed this. What is going on? Oh, copied everything. Oh, Lord. That's okay. I mean, really, it really is. Actually kind of funny. It copied everything. I think it was because of the move rf html. Now I need to make HTML. Okay. This right here. Oh no, I destroyed it. It's destroyed. Works. Woo! I saved it, dude. Something's wrong with the script, though. Not really sure why. Good, I think it worked. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you later.